Everything you need to know when visiting the world-famous Singapore Zoo. Whether you're a tourist on a holiday or in local planning a family trip, this video has got you covered. First of all, make sure you're wearing comfortable shoes because there will be a lot of walking, and also the weather will be rather warm. So wear something comfortable, maybe sport attire that you know you would sweat too much in. So yeah, don't come wearing a full suit, looking like a penguin. You're not a penguin, you're a human, right? Yeah, you don't want to be sweating away, so be sure to wear something comfortable. The zoo is actually divided into 4 different parts. You have the main zoo, you have the night safari, you have the river wonders, and you have the bird paradise. Now, if you're interested on visiting 2 or more in a day, you can consider getting a multi-ticket pass, which you can get at a discounted rate. First place that we went to upon entering the zoo was one of the animal presentations / safari. Now, I would recommend you coming about 10 to 15 minutes earlier, and you can get a good seat with a good view. And if you don't want to get wet, be sure to not sit at the front. If you got extra clothes, then why not? Now, if you're in a rush for time and you only have a few more places to go to, these are the 3 places that is a must visit. One of the reasons why the Singapore Zoo is so famous is because of the free swimming orangutans that you can see right in front of the offway. Not in a cage, not behind a glass screen, but right there in front of our eye. We are here at the White Tiger exhibit, but I don't see any white tigers. There's supposed to be 2 here, but we can only see 2 orange tigers. Now, before coming to the Singapore Zoo, I actually did not know the difference between a white tiger and an orange tiger. Well, apart from their color, of course, it's pretty obvious, but I assumed that they were for different species. But I actually just learned that their white fur is the result of a lack of pigment that occurs in a natural orange tiger. And did you know that this is actually extremely rare? It happens in 1 in 10,000 births. Additionally, both the parents have to carry this unusual gene. Now, in the entire world, there are only 200 white tigers there, and Singapore are home to 2 of them. We are here in a biodome that replicates a tropical rainforest here in the Singapore Zoo. What's this then? Oh! I will highly recommend you starting your journey on the left side of the zoo, where you can go through exhibits like the Australasia, Great Rift Valley of Ethiopia, the Primate Kingdom, and more. This route will lead you conveniently to our main restaurant and bistro, which is conveniently located in the center of the zoo. Here we've got all sorts of delicacies, how Indian to local and Western. Per person, I would say expect to spend around $15 to $20 per meal, which includes a drink. And the meal that I got was the tandoori chicken biryani. Now, outside of the zoo that you have to walk past before even entering, there are other food options, so you can consider whether you want to have your meal before the trip to the zoo or after, or maybe even in between before going to the river wonders. It's all up to you. I really hope everyone has been enjoying the video thus far. If you have, be sure to go down there and smash the like button and subscribe. Now, if you're wondering, the Buggy Rides actually come with the admission ticket, so you can feel free to just hop on them at any given moment when you see them, as they bring you along different parts of the zoo. Now, this is the Hippo territory, and what people love most about this place is enjoying some nice cold air, They even have an eye juice station where you can get a refreshing cup of orange juice. My oh my, was there a long queue for that. To make full use of your experience here, you can make use of the park's free Wi-Fi and scan the QR code for a downloadable map. These ring-tailed lemurs that you see here, ladies and gentlemen, are at very high risk of extinction. Please do your part, take care of our animals. Now, if you enjoy content like this, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll bring you guys along with me on more fantastic journey. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Whoa. Yeah, so this aren't part of any exhibits. They're just hanging around the zoo, so you can see them. Just keep a safe distance, but feel free to say hi. Hello. Now you'll notice that there are many shelters like this around the zoo, so if you feel like you need a bit of shade, want to have a water break, just take a seat. So just take a breather for a second before continuing on with your absolutely fantastic journeys here at the Singapore Zoo. Would you look at that, a peacock in its full colors. Those are snakes camouflaged onto the ground. If you're with little ones, then KidzWorld is the place to go. It's recently been renovated and it has a water park, TFC, and everything your kids would love. So for obvious reasons, I'm not going to actually film the inside of KidzWorld. If you have little ones, be sure to bring them here to KidzWorld. It's so different and it looks so nice, honestly. I won't lie, I can miss the way it used to be. It's just maybe nostalgic, I think the better of me. But yeah, you should definitely bring your kids here when you're in the Singapore Zoo. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to go down there and subscribe. We're so close to 1,000 subscribers. Stay happy, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.